Okay, example 4. 2 short-tailed cats mated and had a litter of 11 kittens. 3 kittens with no tail, 6 with short tails, and 2 with long tails. So again, the first thing to do is to determine what type of inheritance this is. So I see no tail, short tail, and long tail, 3 different phenotypes. I automatically know it's either going to be codominance or it's going to be incomplete dominance. So this one is going to be incomplete dominance because I see a short tail. So we have no tail, long tail, and then a blending of those two, which is your short tail. We don't see a possibility of a cat having both a short tail on it and a long tail, so it's not codominant. Both are not being expressed. So we know we have to use a capital letter to represent whatever trait we're talking about. We're talking about tail, so I'm going to use the letter T. When you're working with incomplete dominance and codominance, it's best to start with your 2 extremes and write their genotypes first, because the blended or the co-expressed phenotype is going to be the one that contains the alleles for your 2 extremes. So let's start with no tail. Long tail with 2 L's. And then our short tail, we're not creating new alleles for it. Remember, it's going to have one of each of the other alleles. It's going to have a no tail allele and a long tail allele. So now let's figure out the genotypes of the parents. Okay, 2 short tail cats. So the short tail is going to be one of each allele. So the parents are both going to have the genotype as such. And we write parent 1 up here and parent 2 down here. And we can see what our potential offspring are going to be. So we have a no-tail cat here. That's the only one I see, so 1 there. We have a short-tail cat here, those 2. And we have a long-tail cat. So we have a 25% chance of having no tail, 25% chance of having a long tail, and a 50% chance of having a short tail cat. So we see all 3 potential phenotypes, even if we're only dealing with parents that have one type of phenotype.